Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have discussed the concept electric potential difference. So what do you mean by electric potential difference? It is nothing but the work done to move a unit charge from one point to another, and it is represented by V equals W by Q. So then what is the SI unit of potential difference? It is volt expressed by capital letter V, and it is named after the Italian physicist Alessandro Volta. And what do you mean by 1 volt, or how do you define 1 volt? It is nothing but 1 joule of work done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another in an electric circuit. So mathematically you represent it as 1 volt equals 1 joule by 1 coulomb. So it is the amount of work done to move 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another is nothing but 1 volt. In examination they may ask you to define 1 volt. So you have to write this definition. Then how do you measure the potential difference in an electric circuit? What is the instrument used to measure the potential difference? So voltmeter is the instrument used to measure the potential difference. So this gives the potential difference in the given particular circuit. And one point you must remember is the voltmeter will always be connected in parallel to measure the potential difference in a circuit. So it must always be connected in parallel in the circuit. And what is the instrument used to measure the current? It is called ammeter. So these 2 points you must remember. One is the instrument used to measure potential difference is voltmeter, and the instrument used to measure the ammeter is the instrument used to measure the current in an electric circuit is ammeter, and ammeter should always be connected in series to measure the current. So you should not get confused. Voltmeter should be connected in parallel and ammeter should be connected in series in the circuit to measure the current. So by making use of ammeter and voltmeter, we can measure the potential difference and current in the circuit. So these are the pictures of ammeter and voltmeter. So the picture you are seeing is the ammeter. So there will be a pointer. It shows how much current is flowing in the circuit, and this is the voltmeter. So both looks similar, but the readings will be different. So the first one is the ammeter, and the next picture you are seeing is the voltmeter. So both in ammeter and voltmeter there will be a pointer. So when the circuit is on, so it shows the deflection. The needle shows the deflection and it shows the reading, how much current is flowing and how much potential difference is present in the electric circuit. So these are the 2 pictures of ammeter and voltmeter. So in the next video, I shall continue with some more concepts in this chapter. If you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. I'll try to clear your doubts. Thank you. Have a good day.